Good morning, students. In this video, I will explain a very interesting poem. The topic of the poem is The Quarrel, which you can relate to yourself if you have a sibling. That means a brother or a sister. This poem was written by Eleanor Furjan. Students, tell me one thing. Do you quarrel with your sibling? Do you know the reason why? We often quarrel with our brother or sister for very petty small issues, which can be as small as he ate my chocolate, he took my bicycle, she wore my t-shirt, he is not giving me remote, and sometimes we don't even remember what's the reason why we quarrel. But the truth is, can we live without the brother or the sister for a long time? Can we live without talking to them? Okay. Let's see the introduction of this poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many at times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over small petty issues and how it the small kind at the quarrel's end. It is very mystic and beautiful. Let's see the stanza wise explanation. Okay. Look at the first stanza. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Okay, here the speaker, who is the child, that means it can be a girl or it can be a boy. For the convenience, we will consider that the poet is a girl. So the poet is saying that she quarreled with her brother. Here quarrel means to fight. She fought with her brother and she doesn't even remember the reason why. And it started with small thing at the end. The reason was strong. They started fighting, they started quarreling. Here, slight means small. It was a very small matter and then soon it ended up with strong fight. So my brother said he was right, but I knew my brother was wrong. So siblings, they started fighting, they started quarreling with each other on a very small issues, which they don't even remember the reason. And soon the small quarrel turned into a strong fight. Okay, next see the explanation for the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Okay. After the quarrel, they started hating each other. And the afternoon turned black means it became unpleasant. It was spoiled. Then suddenly my brother came and thumped me on the back. Here, thumped means patted me on the back and said we could not continue to behave like that. Now the poet realized that she was wrong, her brother was right. Because he came to be friends first and finally they became friends. The matter was resolved. This poem is over. This is a very short poem. Now let's see the summary of this poem. Okay. The poetess is trying to explain how a quarrel between two siblings began and ended without any reason. The poetess says that she quarreled with her brother over something and she was not even aware why she was quarreling about. Though it was started on a small topic, but it became serious. Both of them started to dislike each other. In the afternoon, she was sad. Suddenly, her brother patted on her back and accepted his fault and asked her to discontinue the fight. So, in this way, he was actually right. It showed his generosity and love for his younger sister. Next, let's see the theme of this poem. The poem is based on siblings' love and friendship. The poet of the opinion that siblings often quarrel and fight with each other with or without reason, but that doesn't mean that they will remain upset for the whole time. Sibling love is so powerful and strong that even after a harsh quarrel, the bond of love will emerge powerful and melt away the bitterness caused by the quarrel. Next, don't forget to memorize this meaning of this poem. Quarrel means had a dispute, one thing led to another, the dispute lasted long. Fell out means quarreled. Afternoon turned black means it was late evening. Daylight faded with sunset and darkness began to spread. Next, thumped means patted. Okay. So I hope that this poem shows the sweet relation of siblings depicted by the poet Eleanor Ferjan.